Introducing connected banking with Zoho Books and HSBC Bank. By connecting with HSBC Bank, you can pay vendors directly from Zoho Books, initiate GST payments directly from Zoho Books, fetch bank feeds and reconcile transactions effortlessly, keep track of account balance in real time. In this video, we'll show you how to connect HSBC current account with Zoho Books, initiate bill payments, vendor payments and GST payments, fetch bank feeds for reconciliation, view transaction status, and monitor live bank balance. Let's get started. To connect your HSBC account with Zoho Books, log into your Zoho Books organization and head over to the Settings tab and navigate to Online Payments. Under the Vendor Payments tab, click Setup Now in the HSBC Bank. Enter the API credentials such as the Profile ID, Client Secret, and Account Number. Upload the HSBC public key provided by the bank and set up your secret PIN. After clicking on the Setup Now button, your HSBC account will be integrated with Zoho Books. If you do not have the API credentials with you, select No and click Submit after agreeing to the terms and conditions. The HSBC Bank team will contact you offline to help you with the credentials. Please note that this integration is a user-level integration. Other users or admins cannot initiate payments on your behalf. If you want multiple users to initiate payments, each user has to connect HSBC bank account with Zoho Books through their user ID. If you have more than one HSBC bank account, you can add those bank accounts to Zoho Books. To do so, head over to the banking module and click Add Bank. Select Enter Account manually. Fill the details and save to add the bank account directly to Zoho Books. One of the benefits of connected banking is to fetch bank feeds and check the bank balance inside Zoho Books in real time. To fetch bank feeds automatically, head over to the Online Payments and click on the Vendor Payments tab. Click the Add Bank Account to fetch bank feeds under HSBC Bank. Select the bank account and time frame from when you want to fetch the bank feeds. To check your bank account balance in real time in Zoho Books, head over to the Banking module and select the bank account. Your live bank account balance will be visible here. Once the feeds are imported, you can easily reconcile your transactions in Zoho Books. To do so, click on any of the transaction and Zoho Books will list all the possible matches for your transaction. Here you can select and match your bank statements with the transactions recorded in Zoho Books. Now what if you want to match your transactions manually? You can click the Uncategorized Transactions and click on the Categorize Manually tab. Fill in all the details for the transaction and hit Save to reconcile your bank statement. The connected banking experience with HSBC Bank provides you the option of paying bills and vendors from within Zoho Books. To initiate a vendor payment, you need to ensure the bank details of the vendor is added in Zoho Books. To do so, head over to Vendor, click on More, and select Add Bank Account. Fill out the account details and click on Save. To pay a vendor, head over to the Payments Made module under the Purchases tab. Click on New and select the vendor. Select Initiate Payment via HSBC and enter the total amount that you want to pay or click on Pay Full Amount checkbox. Select the bank account from which you want the payment and select the vendor bank account. Click on Initiate Payment. Upon entering the secret PIN and authorizing the payment in HSBC Net Portal, vendor payment will be completed. To initiate a bill payment, select the bill that needs to be paid and click on Pay via HSBC Bank option on the bill. Choose a transaction type and click on Proceed. Upon entering the secret PIN, your payment will be initiated within Zoho Books. You will have to authorize a payment from HSBC Net to complete the payment. Whenever a transaction is initiated from Zoho Books, the status of the payment will be uncleared. As an added level of security, the user has to authorize a payment in the HSBC Net Portal. Log into HSBC Net Portal and navigate to Payments and Transfers and click on File Authorization. You can find all the transactions that require authorization. Click on the transactions that you want to review. Upon reviewing, you can either approve or reject the transaction file. Once you approve the payment, the status of the payment will be updated to cleared automatically in Zoho Books. Looking to make bulk payments? Connected banking with HSBC and Zoho Books makes it easier for you to process bulk payments. Go to the Purchases module and click on the Bills tab. Select the bills that require payment to be made and click on Pay by HSBC button on the top. You can find all the bills and the corresponding vendor names. Select the From Bank and select the appropriate vendor bank account. Click on Initiate Payment. After entering the secret PIN and authorizing the payment on HSBC Net, the payment will be completed. Once the payment is processed, you can find the update of it in the Notifications tab. Click on the bell icon on the top of the screen. Click on the corresponding payment notification and you will be redirected to the page where you can find the status of all the payments that were paid in bulk. Easy, isn't it? Moving on, one of the major payments that you need to track is the GST payment, and with the connected banking, GSTR payments has gotten simpler. To initiate payments from Zoho Books, you have to create challans in GSTN portal. Navigate to GST filing module and select the return to initiate payment and head to GST payments. Click on Pay via HSBC Bank. Fill in the details such as the payment date, challan date, account number, IFSC code. Click on Proceed to Pay and enter the secret PIN to initiate payment. As mentioned earlier, all payments require authorization at HSBC Net portal. Once you authorize a payment, the payment status will be updated in Zoho Books automatically, and you can check that under the GST Payment tab. With this power of connected banking, businesses have the convenience of handling banking and business operations under one roof. Sign up from the below link and experience the connected banking at its best with Zoho Books. For more assistance, feel free to reach out to hsbc-support@zohofinance.com.